Every product has a story, a journey from raw materials to finished innovation. Step inside the world's most advanced factories and discover the machines, technology, and processes that make it all possible. Welcome to Process Intelligence AI, where industry meets intelligence, from raw wood to colored pencils. Complete manufacturing process. Have you ever wondered how colored pencils are made every day? Millions of pencils are used in schools, offices, art studios, and homes around the world. But before they reach your desk, they go through an incredible manufacturing process involving advanced machinery, precise engineering, and continuous production lines. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern pencil factory to witness the complete journey from raw wood to finished colored pencils. Watch as wooden slats are transformed into perfectly shaped pencils, painted in vibrant colors, sharpened automatically, and prepared for packaging. Let's begin the fascinating journey. Stage 1: Raw wood selection and preparation. The process starts with carefully selected timber. Manufacturers typically use soft, straight-grained wood because it is easy to cut, shape, and sharpen. Large logs arrive at the factory and are inspected for quality. The logs are then debarked, removing the outer bark before entering cutting machines. Powerful saws slice the timber into thin wooden boards known as slats. These slats are cut to precise dimensions and stacked for drying. Industrial drying kilns reduce moisture content inside the wood, preventing future cracking or warping. Once dried, the wooden slats move to the next stage of production. Stage 2: Cutting grooves into the wood. Now the flat wooden slats enter a precision machining section. Automated milling machines cut long, narrow grooves along the length of each slat. These grooves will later hold the colored cores that form the writing or drawing portion of the pencil. Computer-controlled cutters ensure every groove is perfectly aligned and identical. Thousands of slats pass through this process every hour. The accuracy of this step is essential because even a slight misalignment can affect the final quality of the pencil. Once the grooves are completed, the slats continue down the production line. Stage 3: Cola red core manufacturing. While the wooden slats are being prepared, another section of the factory produces the colored cores. Pigments, waxes, binders, and other ingredients are carefully mixed into a uniform paste. Different pigments create different colors, such as red, blue, green, yellow, and many others. The mixture is fed through extrusion machines that form long, thin colored rods. These rods are then dried and hardened under controlled conditions. After quality inspection, the colored cores are cut to precise lengths and transported to the assembly area. Now both key components are ready for assembly. Stage 4: Inserting the cola red cores. The grooved wooden slats arrive at automated assembly stations. Robotic systems carefully place the colored cores into each groove. Industrial adhesive is applied to ensure a strong bond between the wood and the core. A second groove slat is then positioned on top, creating a wooden sandwich with the colored cores trapped inside. Hydraulic presses apply pressure to secure the layers together. The assembled panels are left briefly for the adhesive to cure. At this point, the future pencils are hidden inside solid wooden blocks. As Stage 5, shaping the pencils. Next comes one of the most satisfying stages of production. The bonded wooden panels enter high-speed shaping machines. Special cutting tools carve the panels into individual pencils. Depending on the design, pencils may become round, triangular, or the classic hexagonal shape. As the cutters move through the wood, multiple pencils emerge simultaneously from a single panel. Excess wood is removed and collected for recycling. The newly formed pencils then pass through polishing equipment that smooths every surface and edge. They now look like real pencils, but still require finishing. Stage 6. Painting and color coding. The pencils are transported through an automated painting system. Rows of pencils move continuously along conveyor belts while spray machines apply smooth, even coatings. Multiple layers of paint are often added to achieve a vibrant appearance and durable finish. Different production runs may receive different colors depending on customer requirements. After each coating, the pencils enter industrial drying tunnels. Warm air circulates throughout the tunnel, allowing the paint to cure quickly and evenly. Several paint and dry cycles may occur before the final finish is achieved. The result is a bright, glossy, and professional appearance. Stage 7. Sharpening and quality inspection. Once painted, the pencils move to automated sharpening machines. Precision cutters create perfectly formed tips on every pencil. Sensors inspect each pencil for length, shape, paint quality, and core alignment. Computer vision systems can detect even minor defects. Any pencils that fail inspection are automatically removed from the line. Only products meeting strict quality standards continue to the final stage. This ensures consistent performance and customer satisfaction. Stage 8. Printing, packaging, and shipping. The approved pencils now receive their final markings. Industrial printing machines apply brand names, color codes, logos, and product information. The pencils are then counted automatically and sorted into sets. Robotic packaging systems place them into boxes, trays, or retail packs. Finished packages are sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Automated palletizing machines stack cartons onto pallets for warehouse storage. The pencils are now ready to be distributed to schools, offices, art stores, and customers around the world. Outro. From simple pieces of wood and colored pigments to perfectly finished pencils, every step of the process combines precision engineering, automation, and industrial efficiency. Modern pencil factories can produce millions of pencils every year while maintaining remarkable consistency and quality. And that is how colored pencils are manufactured on a fully automated production line. If you enjoyed this fascinating factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible manufacturing process videos. Process Intelligence AI, bringing industrial production to life.